today, what are we doing right now, guys? Us three, we are doing a collaboration on how to like blur, do an editorial look. I made this board of like what color should I choose. I hope it's gonna be good tomorrow. Here we are in Botanical Garden with my model, Dea. I've taken a couple of shots for digital, so this channel will be a mix between analog and digital as well, because it's mainly about my photography journey, my diary. I'm gonna be shooting with Portra 400. I've taken Portra in medium format. I haven't been shooting with 35mm. It's going to be a very exciting episode with Portra. Yeah, so come check it out with me and we're gonna shoot together. Reflector, some music. Kayak tadi bagus. Kayak tadi tangannya, yang kiri tangan kanannya pegang kepala. 2, 3. Look at me. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Slide to right. Look at me. Ma, can you evoke sadness? Just look at the camera, but like blank, like you're looking at far distance. Okay. Itu aja kayak tadi, lihat. 1, 2, 3. Oke, sip. So we're right now in this very deserted area.
Ya boleh sih, kayak lu tuh lagi ngedate gitu kan, terus lu ketemu, maksudnya lu ngobrol sama cowok, terus jadi jadi kayak feelingnya tuh kayak lu kayak ngeliat gue gitu loh, dan gue tuh si mata cowoknya. Habis.
Oh my god. Okay, that's over. Portra is over and that's a wrap.